We did see that video that was leaked, Mark Zuckerberg addressing his workforce here, talking about how quickly the company grew over the last few years. Is capex the next thing that could potentially get caught when you consider how quickly this company's been spending? Not in the metaverse. Imean, if you look at what Mark Zuckerberg said during the last earnings call, they said that yes, we're spending a lot on the metaverse, but we're going to just ramp that up in 2023, and then we'll slow the pace ofthat in 2024 and beyond. So they're not cutting back on spending there, which is interesting. I'm sure there are a lot of people who are let go from Meta, those 11,000 or 13 of the workforce, who would say, look, you're putting money into this metaverse that hasn't paid off. We don't know if it's going to pay off. And now it's costing us our jobs while you put money into your pet project. So there's this kind of different confluence of events going on with Meta that are really hurting it. And most likely, the reason why its share price is down near 70% year to date, and part of that is those investments in the metaverse that Zuckerberg is making was $10 billion worth. In 2021 this year, on track to do the same. So far I think it's around 17 billion in total that we've seen over the past 2 years, and then going forward, as I said, they're going to be putting more money into that. Then there's the ad market issue that's just a broader macroeconomic problem. That's not necessarily just a Meta problem, but they also have the issue with Apple's iOS privacy changes. They're still working on ensuring they can provide advertisers with enough signals for their ads to ensure that they're getting to the people that they want to see it. So that's still a problem that they have. And then, on top of that, there's the whole Gen Z issue, where according to Forrester, Gen Z is just abandoning the main Facebook app for TikTok. And while they are spending more time on Instagram, they're spending even more time than on TikTok Reels. By the way, the product that it's supposed to be a TikTok competitor not doing well with Gen Z. So there's this just multitude of problems that Meta has to work through. And they're doing the cost cutting when it comes to workers. A lot of recruiters were let go yesterday, but when it comes to the metaverse, they're still plowing billions into it. It doesn't look like Mark Zuckerberg is going to change his mind, and no one can change his mind since he's the has the biggest voting share.